God's love is purposeful. It means that His love is intentional and directed towards achieving a specific goal. Hindi po patsamba-tsamba, hindi po basta minahal lang tayo ng Diyos, minahal niya tayo at ang kanyang pag-ibig sa atin ay merong purpose, merong intensyon, merong layunin. Ephesians chapter 1 verse 4 to 5. The Apostle Paul writes, "For He chose us in Him," meaning in Christ, "before the creation of the world, to be holy and blameless in His sight." You see the purpose there, to be holy and blameless in His sight. In love, referring to God's love. Look at the purpose. In love, He predestined us to be adopted as His sons through Jesus Christ in accordance with the pleasure and will. Sa kanyang pag-ibig, tayo po ay pinili at tayo po ay iniayon sa pagpili maging katulad ng kanyang anak. Sa makatwid, ang layunin ng Diyos ay hindi lang mahalin tayo. Ang layunin ng kanyang pagmamahal sa atin ay makonform tayo sa image ng kanyang anak.